Hi, and thank you for joining us for this week's Tips and Tricks video. My name is Larisa Cunningham, and I'm a Learning Strategist Team Lead with Planet Technologies. Today, we're going to take a quick look at how to make Copilot truly yours. So I am starting out here in my browser at m365.cloud.microsoft, and we are going to be in our chat area. Now, I don't need a license for what we're going to show you today, so we are going to come over here to our three-dot menu in the top right corner. And when you select that, it should show you an option with settings. When I select settings, I'll get a pop-up with some different areas I can make adjustments to. And in that left-hand navigation, we are going to take a look at personalization. So when I select on this, I am going to see a number of different choices where I can take a look in here and start to tell Copilot how I work. I can put information in here like my role, my tone preferences, and what matters most to me for all of the conversations I have with Copilot moving forward. So if you want shorter answers, you can put that in here, or maybe you need more in-depth detail. These are all options that you can put into here to improve the way Copilot responds to you. You can even highlight things like your focus areas, wanting productivity tips, or creative ideas while you're discussing with Copilot. So if I click into Edit Instructions here, you'll notice that I have already put in some information for Copilot to understand a little more about my role and my preferred style of responding. So I have some clear, friendly responses that I want, and I want to take complex topics and make them simpler. But just so you can easily see how quickly this responds to me, I am going to ask it to always respond in a specific style of writing here, and we're going to ask it to make sure it's talking with a Shakespearean style of writing. So once you've made these adjustments and added the information you'd like it to consider, we're going to come down here and select Save Instructions. It might take a moment, but once it's done loading, you should see a green success message up at the top, and I can close this window now. So let's go ahead and see how quickly it responds to that feedback we've updated. So I'm just going to ask Copilot to share a summary of the benefits of Copilot Chat. We're going to send that off and see if it took that into account. And right away, you can tell it is speaking in that Shakespearean style, which it normally would not have, and adding in that element of noble benefits and our scribes, as well as labyrinths and so forth. So these settings are going to help you deliver the best information and fit your workflow to your voice. So take a minute to personalize your Copilot experience today and make it your ultimate productivity partner.